Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. March 18th marked 50 years of one of the most exciting aspects of human spaceflight, spacewalking. In 5 decades, we've gone from Alexei Leonov's first foray into the vacuum of space to building the largest and most complex space laboratory ever in existence. Check out some of the upcoming anniversaries and learn everything there is to know about spacewalking at nasa.gov/suitup. On board, the crew prepared to find out just how strong they're staying on orbit. Terry Virts and Samantha Cristoforetti set up the Muscle Atrophy Research and Exercise System, or MARES, which enables the study of the human muscle skeletal system. Microgravity can wreak havoc on bones and muscles without proper exercise, and MARES is a great tool to be sure the astronauts are on the right track. And we're just 1 week away from the launch of the very first one-year expedition. Scott Kelly, Mikhail Kornienko, and Gennady Padalka departed Russia for Baikonur, Kazakhstan to finish up the final preparations before their launch on March 27th. Kelly and Kornienko will be the first to spend a whole year on board the station, conducting important research that will prepare us for the journey to Mars. Follow along and learn more at nasa.gov/oneyear, and make sure to check out the latest videos. This week, Alana wanted to know what it feels like to walk when you come back to Earth. That's actually part of a really important question NASA scientists are working on with the help of station crew members immediately after they return to Earth. The body goes through a lot of changes after living in microgravity for a long time. So right after a crew member finds themselves back in a place with gravity, simple tasks like standing up or walking can be more difficult.
World is moving!
Dealing with this could be critical for people arriving on Mars that need to set up their home base after spending months in space. Make sure to keep sending your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.